house. Not because I'm always in the kitchen looking for something to eat, but because I really, really love cheese. Just give me anything with cheese and I'll be happy. So today I prepared pastries with cheese on them and we will try everything. So let's not talk too much and let's move on to tasting all these pastries. For our first cheese item, this is the cheese tart from Got Milk. A few weeks ago, I tasted so much egg tart and now we have cheese tart. I'm really so excited to try this because it looks so yummy. If this is really cheesy, I'm really gonna love it. So let's try it out. Look how it looks like. I'm really so happy by just looking at it. Oh, let's look how it tastes. Look at that cheese. I'm gonna show you up close so that it's better. Guys, ang heaven. Lalo na when I ate the top part. The top part has a chip of cheese, I think. Super heaven, especially with people like me who eats cheese for snacks. So, guys, you really need to taste this. Ang kaya. I realized how I didn't really explain how it tastes like. Masyado ako na-overwhelmed na masarap siya. So, it's actually like a cheesecake. Pero yung loob niya, it's more of a cheese na hindi sweet. Cheese na more salty. And yung crumbs niya, yun yung medyo sweet. So, okay siya. Hindi ko lang sure kung i-consider ko to as dessert. Kasi dessert for me, sweet. Pero, hindi siya masyadong sweet. Nandun siya sa gitna ng savory and sweet. So, I'm sorry. Ang galing ko ba ma-explain? Pero ayun, I really love it kasi I always snack on cheese. As in, yung cheese na slices, I really snack on them regularly. And with this one na meron siyang crumbs and balance lang yung pagka-salty niya and yung sweetness ng crumbs. Medyo magiging picky na ako at hindi na cheese slices ang igagawing snacks ko. Kailangan cheese tarts na siya. So there, this is a cheese tart from Got Milk. Got Milk is located in San Fernando, but I'm not yet sure if they're gonna accept orders in Angeles regularly because I think they only have schedule when they are going here in Angeles. But for now, it's available in San Fernando, Got Milk. And I'm really wondering how this cheese tart would taste with the milk tea of Got Milk. Oh my gosh. Milk tea with cheese tart. That's insane. I'm still thinking if I should share some to my family. Oh wait, I almost forgot. It's sold for 280 pesos per box. And in a box, you have 6 tarts. So, there. Let's move on to the next one. Second one that I have here, it's from Chef Anna. Anna is my high school best friend and ever since first year when I was always going to her house, they have the best pastries, desserts, food in their house. So, hindi ka talaga magugutom. And now that she opened up her Instagram account, I really was very excited to taste everything, especially this one because my family always get this Casa de bola ensaymada every Christmas and it's really so yummy but we can't find where that is in Manila. And I heard it's really pricey and now that Chef Anna is doing a Casa de bola cheese roll, I really had to taste it because first, knowing Anna, she really cooks and bakes well, and second is that I've been looking for something queso de bola. So let's try it out and see how it tastes like because my whole family already got some and they love it. Tinan nyo, 5 na lang natitira dito. Let's try it out. I'm really so excited to try it. So this is how it looks like. Cheese roll talaga siya. Oh my God. Ang sarap grabe kasi yung pagka-moist ng bread niya, tamang-tama lang. And yung cheese sa loob, super hanggang dulo, may cheese siya. Tapos yung queso de bola and yung sugar coating niya sa taas. Super parang balance na balance. Kasi yung queso de bola, di ba, medyo maalat. Tapos yung sugar niya hindi super sobra. Kaya pala kanina when my nephew tried it out, he was telling us na, I like the salt. Oh no, I like the sugar. Tapos pagka magat siya ulit, oh, I like the sugar. No, the salt, sabi niya, girl. Kaya kami parang, what are you trying to tell us? But now I get it. Kasi queso de bola salty, diba? Tapos yung sugar niya. So, hindi ma-figure out kanina ng nephew ko what really tastes good, what he likes about it. But he really loved it. And everyone in this house really loved it. So, Anna, I'm super proud of you. We've been looking for queso de bola and ensaymadas, but you gave us queso de bola cheese rolls that are really worth ordering. So, Last bite. Cheers! Now, I have here the very famous cheese pandesal, but this one is a very unique version of cheese pandesal because look, the cheese is toasted outside the pandesal and I don't really know if it has cheese pa inside. Let's see. I really haven't tasted it pa. Bawas na yung dito kasi my family tasted it before me. So, let's look at it. Let's half it first. Oh, it has cheese inside. Grabe! Cheese covered na siya. May cheese pa siya sa loob and may mix ng ube. So, let's try it out. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, ang sarap. Ito yung cheese pandesal na i-crave mo talaga. Kasi yung toasted cheese niya sa labas, parang medyo sweet siya. But yung sa loob, yun yung salty na cheese. So yung lasa niya, super elevated cheese pandesal talaga siya. Ang dami din kasing laman na ube sa loob. Yung mga dati kasing na-try ko na ube cheese pandesal, masarap sila kasi ang ganda ng pagka-moist ng pandesal niya. Tapos yung cheese sa loob, gano'n. Pero ito, it's really different. Kasi pag tinatanong ako ng mga tao, ano bang difference ng ube pandesal dun sa normal na pandesal? Minsan na sila sabi ko na parang, medyo may hint lang siya ng ube, pero eto talaga, ito yung nagpatunay sa akin na yung ube cheese pandesal, tsaka yung pandesal na lagyan mo ng cheese, iba talaga yung lasa. Kasi lasang-lasa yung ube niya sa dami ng ube nang nasa loob. Tapos yung pagka-ube din ng bread niya. Tapos yung cheese pa, may salty cheese sa loob, tapos may sweet cheese sa labas. Oh my god talaga. Ang sarap. Worth it. Kasi nung una parang namamahalan ako sa price niya kasi 350 yung 12 pieces niya na box. And I think if bibili ka ng ube cheese pandesal sa ibang tao, mas mura, diba? Pero ito, super worth it yung price niya kasi elevated talaga siya ng ube cheese pandesal. I would say this is the gourmet ube cheese pandesal. This is from the bakery, as you can see. And I love the short introduction of their brand. And they also have this Bible verse in their sticker. And ang witty nung thank you and hope we bake your day. And they really baked my day today because ang sarap talaga. This is the ube cheese pandesal that you would definitely crave for. Speaking of something that you would crave for, di ba pag nag-crave ka, lagi kang guilty kasi ang dami mong kinakain and everything. After controlling yourself for how many days, bigla mag-crave ka lang for something and then you feel guilty. So here, we have guilty pleasures with us. What an intro, di ba? We have guilty pleasures with us. They actually have the ube pandesal also, and look how big it is. But we will taste the cheese roll. So, let's get the cheese roll. And look, tignan muna natin paano yung loob niya bago natin i-taste. Kasi may mga cheese roll, diba, na ang konti lang ng cheese ng laman sa loob. Oh, bakit hindi ko siya makita? Ah! Hindi siya yung buong cheese. Oh, this is nice. Guilty pleasure na talaga to. In-expect ko yung cheese na nasa loob niya. Diba yung mga cheese roll, parang may yung cheese sa loob, buo pa siya. So, masisilit natin sana, diba? Pero, pagka-open mo, parang walang cheese. Pero pala yung cheese niya, parang siyang feeling. Cheese feeling siya na in-inject dun sa loob ng bread. So, super surprising nung kinagat ko talaga siya. Kasi, diba? Parang wala. O, pinipwisit ko na siya. Walang lumalabas. Pero pag kinain nyo, guys, super lasang-lasa yung cheese feeling niya. Tapos, ang sarap kasi hindi siya in-expect kong lasa. Kasi pag cheese roll, diba, yung sa loob na cheese niya, salty. Cheese na cheese talaga. Salty siya. Eh, pagkakagat ko nito, yung cheese niya is creamy. Creamy cheese siya. Ang sarap. Pero nakaka-guilty nga talaga siya. Guilty pleasure nga talaga siya. So, this cheese roll is from Guilty Pleasures. I know they have other breads pa na in the making. Pero, this one, really, thumbs up, guys. Ang galing. Grabe, guys. Ang saya-saya ko for doing this video kasi cheese lahat ng tinikman natin. And I'm really in heaven right now. And for the past month, iniwasan ko talaga yung dairy. But now, I'm back and eating so much cheese. So, there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope I became helpful for you guys because, promise, guys, super heaven talaga. Promise. Try it out and let me know in my social media accounts if you also liked it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Bye!